Summer Returns to the Pond by Fiona Killoran, illustrated by Janice Skivington. Summer returns to the pond. The whole pond is sunny. The beaver works. The beaver builds a lodge. The lodge is the beaver's home. The beaver shares the lodge. It shares the lodge with its kits. The kits are the beaver's babies. The robin works. The robin builds a nest. The nest is on a branch above the pond. The nest is the robin's home. The robin shares the nest with its babies. Baby robins. Branch. The robin works. The robin brings food to the nest. The robin brings enough food to share. The robin shares the food with its babies. The turtle loves a sunny place. The turtle finds a log in the pond. The log is in a warm, sunny place. The turtle shares the log with some birds. The turtle rests. The birds rest too. It is summer at the pond. The beaver, the robin, the turtle, and the birds live at the pond. The animals work. The animals share. The animals rest.